Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Sundays with Sunaina. I'm Sunaina Rekhi and today I'm going to teach you how to do a Surya Namaskar properly. Alright, to energize your body, to rejuvenate your body. It's a Sunday, let's start today with your family. Tell everyone to come and do this Surya Namaskar with you. You can rewind it and do it again. Okay, the way I'm going to do it, I'll go slowly for the first one, and the second round I'll go a little faster for you to get some cardio in. Alright, are we ready? Let's come onto our mats and let's come to the front of our mats. Toes together, heels slightly apart, shoulders back. And let's inhale, lift the arms up. Feel the lift in the spinal column. Feel the breath rising up, and as you exhale, fold down, generously bending the knees and folding. Shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, right leg back, hands down or fingertips to the floor. Inhale, heart lifts forward and up. And as you exhale, push back into downward facing dog. Push the hips back, keep the hands shoulder distance apart, feet hip width apart. It's okay if the heels are here, you can bend the knees. And from down dog, inhale, moving forward into plank. Move the shoulders in line with the wrist, pushing the earth away. Don't dump into the shoulder. Bend the knees and move the chest and chin to the floor. Elbows close to the ribs. Turn the feet. Inhale, slide up into cobra. Don't try to move the elbows away or move the shoulders up. Move them back. Feel the chest pulling forward. And as you exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right foot between the hands, looking up, lift the chest. And as you exhale, bring the left foot to meet the right, folding forward. Do not straighten the legs if the hamstrings are tight. I would really suggest to keep the knees bent. Inhale, lift up, arms up, lengthen, slightly move back. Release. This was the first half of the Surya Namaskar. The second half on the left side. Inhale, arms up everyone. Feel this lift. As you exhale, fold and forward. Move the forehead towards your shin. Inhale, left leg back, knee down. Lift the heart up. Feel the left hip flexor opening. Feel the right knee stacked over the right ankle. And as you exhale, push back into inverted V pose. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Keep your arms straight, keep the elbows straight. And if you're here, you're trying to push the hips back. So they're pushing back. So the heels are trying to come towards the feet. Inhale, plank. Knees down. Chest and chin down. If you can't do that, you can always move down and then drop. It's like you're doing a push-up and then drop. Alright? Keep the hips up. Inhale, cobra. Feel the opening. Exhale. Push back. Press into all 10 knuckles of your hands. Bring the left foot between the hands, right knee down. Inhale. And as you exhale, bring the right foot to meet the left. Folding down. Inhaling up. Keep the arms close to the ears. And exhale. Beautiful. Now we are going to do the second round. It'll be a little faster. Okay? Let's go. If you can't, please rewind the video and you can do the slower version. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right leg back, knee down. Look up. Exhale, push back, down dog. Inhale, plank, knees down. Chest and chin down, my friends. Inhale, cobra. Nice. Exhale, down dog. Bring the right foot between the hands, left knee down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, left foot meets the right foot. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down by your side, Samastiti heel. Second side, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale this time, left leg back, knee down. If the knee hurts, you can always place a cushion under the knee. Look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hips up. Draw the lowest ribs in. Inhale, plank. Knees down. Chest and chin down. 8 points to the floor. Inhale. Move the spine. Exhale, push back. Left foot between the hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, right foot meets the left. Fold. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, arms down. So that is amazing. It's such an invigorating movement. Do this at least 5 to 7 times every day. Okay, have a soulful Sunday. Love you all. Namaste.